and we're off. Working the room at the Fiji Medical Association conference in Nandi. With Tracy and Beck from Save Our Suppliers. The emails never stop. Rest is important. Fitting in a little holiday in beautiful Nandi. Contemplating our new job opportunities in Fiji. Chilling at the beachside. Meeting some colleagues from the Fiji Medical Association. With the Colonial War Memorial Hospital's paediatric oncologist Dr. Joseph and with our kids operation manager Mary Williams. Finally, my first day on the job, chatting to my new brave friend.